Hello, we're out in the woods again, and I'm going to do some campfire coffee using the PETROMAX percolator. Let's get into it. And here it is, the PETROMAX percolator. So it's basically fill it with water, fill the basket with coffee, put the basket in the percolator, put it on the heat, let it do its thing. So, take the lid off, lift the whole thing out. It's on this stem. So fill the percolator with water, not to the top down, because you need it to about that, well, you need it to sort of this depth of water, keep the basket out of the water. That's about right. Take the top off the basket. The basket comes off altogether. Get your favourite coffee, favourite ground coffee. Oh, that's good. Yeah, so put it back on the stem, put the top back on, and basically put it back in the water. If you've never used a percolator before, the bottom is going to get hot. It's going to push the hot water up to the stem, and then that's going to cascade over the top. It's got perforations in the top, it's going to sink through the coffee, holes in the bottom, coffee's going to come out, and it's just going to keep rotating over and over again. Coffee, 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 and then that will be your percolated coffee. It's got a little stem there. That's it. Let's get him on the fire. So, yeah, just put him up there. As you can hear, it's perking away. And I'll just show you. That's it. Cheers.